Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Trello with Google Calendar. So let's get right into it. Trello is a visual task manager with drag and draw, list, cards, and organizing projects. So it is best for to-do lists, team collaboration, Kanban boards, and workflow automation. So I also use Trello and I prefer it's like a good app. It integrates with Slack, Google Drive, Asana, and other productivity apps. If we talk about the user-friendly usage, it is best for task management, project planning, and collaboration. Now, if we talk about pricing, the basic plan is completely free, but it can go up to $17.5 per month for enterprises use, and you can compare the features on their websites. Now, if we talk about Google Workspace, Google Calendars is a time-based planner that helps schedule events, deadlines, and meetings. It is best for event scheduling, reminders, integrating with Gmail and Google Meet. It syncs with Gmail, Google Tasks, Zoom, and Trello itself. So it is best for event scheduling, reminders, and daily planning. And if we talk about pricing, the basic plan is basically the starter plan is basically free, and it starts from $6.3 per month per user, which is a business starter plan, and it can go up to $22 per month, which is a business plus plan. And you can compare the features as shown below. Now, if you compare both of these, choose Trello if you need a visual way to organize projects and tasks. Choose Google Calendar if you want a simple and effective scheduling tool. So with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.